Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to correct point of origin of an imported object in Twinmotion. Let's get started. So I have a situation where I imported a SketchUp block, which is this curtain. If we click it on our scene graph, as you can see, the pivot point or the point of origin is too far from the object, which will make it hard for me to rotate or to place in the specific area. So to fix this, you will need to go to the curtain block. As I said, this is a SketchUp block, so I will need to open SketchUp in order to fix this. Once SketchUp is open, you will simply click it and move it to the point of origin or the pivot point, which is this area. Once you do, you simply save it, go back to Twinmotion, and click refresh. Once that's done, you can now select this, and as you can see, it is in the correct pivot point. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.